Today, on the 8th of June, Thokoza Mabambe Resident Civic Organization got 10 unemployed people work at Eco Renew Recycle. This was a follow-up after the civic organization organized a march to submit memorandum at All Road Firms last month on the 21st of May to local firms to employ South Africans instead of undocumented immigrants from outside the country. Sawubona Pramzo kunjani?
Sanibonani to the listeners and the viewers at home. Njani?
Siyaphila Pramzo. Bhuti Mzoke, njengoba uyisecretary eThokoza Abahambe Resident, ngicela usicelele kabanzi ukuthi namhlanje kwenzekani la.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. My brother, as was ukuthi thina as Abahambe Thokoza Resident, besibhizi senza i-door to door, of which door to door yethu is to remove illegal foreigners, sifaka ama-South Africans, so that abantu bakithi bazokhona ukuthi bathole i-opportunity nabo bathole i-chance ku-industrial area eseduzane kwabo, of which siyahamba, of which siyaqhubeka sihamba kahle. Just like today, sikhona la kuyo le company Eco Renew Recycling, of which sizofaka ama-South Africans lana sizileke last week sazo-approacha i-company sakhuluma nayo ukuthi we are not happy and this thing is not allowed ukuthi kube khona ama-illegal foreigners asebenzayo without proper document and without ukuthi babe nama-permit. No, i-company yavuma yathi izobacela ukuthi ba-remove silethile abantu, of which nabo ama-South Africans-ke siwalethile njengoba sikhona today namhlanje silethe bona abantu bakhona la e-South Africa nabahlali batholile ithuba la bazongena baqala umsebenzi.
So kule 10 othi ingenile abantu bakhona babuya izithi iward eli1 or ngamawadi ahlukile la election njengoba ngazi ukuthi le mashiyeni yange-21 zaka May bekuphume abantu abaningi abasuke endaweni ezihlukile zala eThokoza eKatlehong nakwezinye eziseduze.
Yes. Thanks for that question, my brother, so that nabantu kuzoba clear bazowazi yonke. This is what happened, my brother. Labantu abayi-10 ababe-selected, they are selected from different sections, of which from sections from, we are talking about Sweni, Mandela, Phenduka, Greenfield, all those sections they are represented la njengoba kukhona abantu abayi-10, of which singake sigcineke lana ngabantu abayi-10 sisazoqhubeka futhi silethe abanye abantu because the company is willing ukuthi sebenzisane nathi sibe ne-relationship so that siqhubeke makuvuleka ama-opportunities sifake abantu bakithi kuyo le company. So all the sides are balanced, wonke ama-section abalansile because of this match bengayenzelanga for certain sections but bekweyethokoza and surroundings zonke. So mase kuna-opportunities, same people abebakhona they must benefit because of the main aim ukuthi siyenzelele the purpose or siqale le initiative ukuthi abantu bakithi ba-benefit so that wonke umuntu nomuntu ekwazi ukubeka isinto etafuleni ekhaya.
Ngisazobuyela futhi kule mashi yenu futhi ukuthi abantu like laba abayi-10 so nibakhethe kanjani ukuthi babe khona namhlanje, and the question is too ukuthi ingaba ifemi yokuqala le since nanenze imashi ngalela langa le-21 or mhlawumbe ifemi yesi-2 nizoyenza kanjani, nisebenza kanjani?
Okay, my brother, this is what happened. Masikhetha abantu la, my brother, ama-leaders wonke ama-section leaders per sections siwatshelile ukuthi belabiza ama-community meetings, bakubiza ama-community meetings to report i-feedback, then bese kubaqalwa khona i-recruitment process yokuthi bathathe umuntu oyi-1. Le yama-backdoor CVs nala ama-CVs ukuthi kuzofakwa ihlobo nama-relatives, it's totally not allowed. Yonke into siyenze fair and square because we believe in fairness and transparency, my leader.
Bo kuleyo i-question yami le yesi-2 bhuti wami ukuthi since bekuyimashi mhlawumbe ingaba abantu bokuqala i-first group le niyifakayo or i-group yesi-2 or kanjani?
No, my brother, this is not the first group. First group sifakile e-Angus, it was last week. It was 5 people esifakile. Njoba sibuyile today ku-Monday sizofaka abanye nakusasa futhi we are going back e-Angus sizofaka abanye abantu futhi abayi-4. Into engayisho nje ukuthi starting from today sesibhizi sifaka abantu because wenzile ama-door to door, we have identified ama-companies, siyawazi ama-companies anama-illegal foreigners, siyawazi nama-companies esinama-agreement nawo, sinama-companies awilling ukuthi asebenza nathi, mele silethe abantu base-South Africa kuphuma ama-illegal foreigners.
Mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu umsebenzi wenu muhle ngifuna ukuncoma. Ngicela ke mfethu because abanye abantu ama-section kunama-section angawenza ama-meeting. Ngicela nje uba i-message abudlulisa i-message ukuthi kulabantu bama-section or ama-leadership wama-section ukuthi asebenzisane nabantu abiza ama-meeting nje just as a support.
What we can say my leader ukuthi I will ask wonke ama-leader out there, wonke ama-leaders womphakathi ukuthi yonke into bafethu uyi-leader because of uyi-leader umphakathi. Uyi-leader because of usukukhethe umphakathi uthemba ukuthi you can bring a change and ungayenza i-difference emphakathini. So please leaders, if ukuvela ama-opportunities aso, asebenziseni i-fairness, sisebenziseni i-transparency leaders. And another thing leaders, please let's call ama-community meetings. Makuzothathwa abantu bangathathwa emasayidini, abantu abathathwe phakathi komphakathi so that yonke into izobonakala ukuthi lento esiyenzayo iyaphambili and izobonakala ukuthi amafutha wale amashethi ange-21 sewakhona. So I will ask nje ama-leaders ukuthi yonke into awayenzayo awayenza ngeqiniso ngoba lento ayikho ngathi ama-leaders but about umphakathi nabantu base-South Africa.
Ngibonge kakhulu leader.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Sisi ubani igama lakho?
Igama ngoMathembelo kaNzungani.
Namhlanje ke njengoba uthola umsebenzi uzosebenza la and after imashi ithokoza abahambe resident le civic organization izonifaka ufila kanjani uzizwa kanjani wena sisi wami?
Ngijabule kakhulu Nkosi yami emva kwesikhathi eside umuntu ahlele elokishini. Finally umuntu uzokwazi ukubeka isinto etafuleni akwazi ukwenza into bekathanda ukusenza.
Sewunesikhathi esingakanani ungasebenzi wami?
Nginonyaka.
Awunenhlanhla siyabonga sisi wami nisebenzeni kahle ne?
Alright siyabonga.
Danke.